Whoa. Oh, it has a little dust bag. Oh, isn't that interesting? It's a leather strap. Chalk. Okay. Oh, isn't that darling? Look at that, you guys. Does it say? It says gold and chalk leather strap. $95 made in Vietnam. Oh, isn't that cute, you guys? Look at this. It has its own little dust bag. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, that's cute. Let me just try something. Let's try it on here. On this retro strap crossbody dress. Confetti pink mango multi. Oh, I think that would look pretty cute with this. What do you guys think? I saw the strap and I was like, it was a deal. Let me see if I know the price. Hold on, let me see if I have the price in the box. Let's see. $38. This was $38. What a deal, right? Is this cute or what? Oh my goodness. All right, and then I have one more package. This is the Denim large corner zip. Oh, isn't that cute? Can you guys see the inside? Has two slots here. Care instructions. And same tag, denim large corner zip. Oh, this is so darling. It's so cute, you guys. Okay, that's all I have in this unboxing. I have more to come. The retro strap is a like, I don't know, maybe